All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So here on the hood, you have 1/3 PPF, as well as in this little section here, and then the full front bumper. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. It's in great condition. That fender looks amazing. You have a little chip right there. A-pillar looks nice. Side mirror looks good. That door looks nice. Overall, that's very clean. Looking at that quarter panel looks good. That wheel's perfect. You have the really light tint here that looks good. Like I said, you have PPF here on that front clip. I do see one rock chip underneath the film there. We do have some dirt under the film. You can see it's lifting a little bit. See some scratches here, a couple rock impacts. The rest that looks good. That fender looks nice. That wheel's super clean. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's perfect. The doors look awesome. Quarter panel's clean. Here on this wheel, we do have rash. You can see it's been touched up a little bit. That upper section looks amazing. Taillights look good. RX 350 all-wheel drive. You have a little scuff here, a little chip there on the edge. Plastic looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the suede here, looks awesome. Buttons look perfect. Door panel's nice and clean. Got a tiny scuff here. Got the all-weather mats with the factory carpet ones in the trunk. That bolster looks good. Beautiful color seats. Here on the steering wheel has a nice matte finish to it. Memory seating. Got your hatch button here. Super clean. Beautiful console. All of that is perfect. I don't see any imperfections. Don't see any flaws. Got the all-weather mats. Bolster looks good. Seats are pretty much perfect. Nice matte finish to them. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Beautiful interior. Bottom side looks nice. Seats look amazing. Here in the cargo area, you have the really nice shade. And then here are the F-Sport mats, the factory ones with the little red accent. Then you have the mat here, that looks good. A little bit of storage under here. Got the spare tire. Then checking out the engine bay, nice and clean. Looks good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. Now the flickering you see in the screens here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Love this red interior, looks amazing. See how it gets worse. The closer you get further back, it kind of dissipates. It's just in camera, not in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Super quiet, suspension is amazing. These drive so well. Brakes are solid. Got an awesome turning radius. Definitely has some get up and go. Shifts nice and smooth. Absolutely no complaints with how this drives. It drives like a brand new vehicle.